I'll never be ashamed of His love that saved me 180 that